Hi, hello, dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about the results of binomial coefficients and in Mathematics 2A in intermediate. Let us have a discussion. The first small theorem. Based on this theorem, we may expect 2 marks question in the public examination in intermediate. So first one, prove that a c naught plus a plus d c1 plus a plus 2d c2 plus and so on plus a plus nd cn is equal to 2a plus nd into 2 power n minus 1. So how to prove this? So let us consider the given series as S. Let S is equal to a c naught plus a plus d c1 plus a plus 2d into c2 plus and so on a plus nd cn. You put that equation number 1 and you write in the reverse order in the series S. S is equal to reverse order I am writing. So first term a plus nd into cn. Before cn what term will be there? Cn minus 1 only, no, obviously. So a plus n minus 1 into d into cn minus 1 plus before that n minus 1 n minus 2 is there. So a plus n minus 2 into d into cn minus 2 plus and so on. At last we have a c naught. You put that equation instead of that equation 2, you leave it like this. Here in the permutations and combinations we have that CR is equal to Cn minus R. That means NCR equal to NCn minus R. Here, what for we are writing this one is, suppose if we consider R is equal to 0, then C naught is equal to Cn. R is equal to 1 if you take, C1 is equal to Cn minus 1. If you take R2, R is equal to 2, not R2 ma. R is equal to 2. That implies C2 is equal to Cn minus 2. R is equal to 3 and so on. C3 is equal to Cn minus 3. Suppose R is equal to n if you take and so on. Cn is equal to C naught. So this information it will help in the next step. So S is equal to, so wherever Cn is there I am going to replace with C naught. So a plus 2d nd, in place of Cn here C naught I am writing. Next a plus n minus 1 into d, in place of Cn minus 1, C1 we can write, here it is there. So C1 plus a plus n minus 2 into d into, in place of C n minus 2 here, Cn minus 2 is there now. In place of that you can write C2. Just for understanding purpose I am underlining. So Cn, C2 here plus and so on. A into, in place of C naught we can write as Cn. This you can put as equation number 2. So adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, LHS side S plus S 2S is equal to, here AC naught plus here A plus ND into C naught. So C naught if you take out common, A plus A 2A plus ND. So 2a plus nd into C naught plus a plus d, a plus n minus 1 into d. So if you add these two, a plus a 2a, after that d minus d get cancelled, nd will be there. So nd into C1. If you add the third term, a plus 2d plus a plus n minus 2 into d, C2 common. So ultimately 2a plus nd, here C2 plus and so on, a plus nd plus a. So 2a plus nd into Cn. So now if you observe that 2s is equal to 2a plus nd, take out common from RHS, 2a plus nd, if you take out common, the rest of the terms C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus and so on, Cn. We know that C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus and so on, Cn is equal to 2 power n. So in place of that bracket value, you can replace with that. So 2s is equal to 2a plus nd, in place of this bracket value 2 power n. But I want only s value. So s is equal to 2, we can take this side, 2a plus nd into 2 power n by 2. So in the next step, 1 by 2 means 2 power minus 1, we can write it. 2a plus nd into 2 power n, 1 by 2 means 2 power minus 1. Base are equal, power should be added. So it will becomes s is equal to 2a plus nd into 2 power n minus 1. That is conclusion step. S is equal to a C0 plus a plus d into C1, a plus 2d into C2 plus and so on, a plus nd into Cn is equal to 2a plus nd into 2 power n minus 1. Hence the result. Based on this result, we will discuss the question. It will come for 2 marks. You have to remember whatever here I kept in the box. Dear students, we will move to the example based on this. 2 examples I will discuss with you. So this concept will perfect all the students. You make a plan. Prove that. Like this they will ask the question. They will ask complete word. Prove that 2C0 plus 5C1 plus 8C2 plus and so on plus 3n plus 2 into Cn is equal to 3n plus 4 into 2 power n minus 1. So in this solution, so first LHS. What is LHS? 2C0 plus 5C1 plus 8C2 plus and so on 3n plus 2 into Cn. In this LHS, the coefficients of C0, C1, C2 and 3n plus 2. So here the coefficients C0, C1, C2 and so on, Cn. Their coefficients here 2 comma 5 comma 8 and so on 3n plus 2 are in AP arithmetic progression with first term in AP is denoted by A, no? With first term as A is equal to 2 and the common difference D is equal to, common difference means T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. So D is equal to 5 minus 2, 8 minus 5. So clearly we are observing as 3. So this is the common difference D. So A value, D value we got it now. After that, by using the above result, by using AC naught plus A plus D into C1 plus A plus 2D into C2 plus and so on A plus ND into Cn is equal to 2A plus ND into 2 power n minus 1. This is the result. By using this result, we'll get the answer. See here. Therefore, that is LHS value I am considering again. Two C naught plus 5 C1 plus 8 C2 plus and so on 3n plus 2 into Cn is equal to, right formula, 2a plus nd, RHS formula only write it, 2 power n minus 1. In place of a and d, substitute 2 and 3. So 2 into 2 plus n into d value 3, 2 power n minus 1. So 4 plus 3n into 2 power n minus 1. That's what they are asking to prove now, which is equal to 3n plus 4 into 2 power n minus 1, which is required RHS. We'll move to the another example based on the same. This type of question we may expect in the public examinations for 2 marks. Example 2. Prove that C0 plus 5C1 9C2 plus and so on 4n plus 1 into Cn is equal to 2n plus 1 into 2 power n. So first what we have to write? In this LHS we have to write it. C0 plus 5C1 plus 9C2 plus and so on 4n plus 1 into Cn. Here in LHS, here means 1, 5, 9 and so on 4n plus 1 are in arithmetic progression with the first term A is equal to 1 and the common difference D is equal to 5 minus 1 4, 9 minus 5 4 and so on, like this. It will be D value 4. Common difference D 4 and first term as 1. Now consider again LHS. that is LHS is equal to C naught plus 5C1 plus 9C2 plus and so on 4n plus 1 into Cn is equal to, write in the formula format. What is that formula format RHS? 2a plus nd into 2 power n minus 1, which is equal to a value 1, so 2 into 1 plus nd, n value n only, d value 4, so n into 4, 2 power n minus 1, which is equal to 4n plus 2 into 2 power n minus 1. Take common 2 from these two terms. So 2 into 2n plus 1 into 2 power n minus 1. So 2n plus 1 into bases are equal, power should be added. These values, just I'll make it. So from these two, bases are equal, power should be added. So 2 power n minus 1 plus 1. So which is equal to 2n plus 1 into 2 power n, which is required RHS. That's all they are asking to prove now. So this type of question we will expect, dear students, for 2 marks. You prepare and thoroughly. Once again I'll scroll down, complete question. Thank you, dear students, for watching our channel.